So yun guys, it's milking time. It's almost 2 in the afternoon, so mamay they get second hard right now because the first herd is almost finished. So it's my off today, so I'm here in my second floor. So yeah, so the cows will pass by my window. Yeah, it is what it is, man. So yeah, so what's under? I'll leave that one, and then you can see. What are you looking at? What's he looking at? Oh, last cow. Later on, there'll be someone posting that cow. Yeah. It is what it is. It's our daily routine here in Scotland, United Kingdom. It's only a day outside, but when you go outside, it's like 10 degrees Celsius. It's cold, but it's sunny day. You know what I mean, man? So yes, when I did this right there. Yeah. So, alright, this is the one who getting the cows in. So yeah, so it's a lovely day today. It's February 28th. So yeah, boom. Right, that is called sakura in Japan, and its local name cherry blossoms. Yeah, that's all our fun right there. Like and share, baby. Ay niligaw, inupakan cowboy. Ang Dan Xiao Adjust.